Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Google Cloud project with billing enabled and the Maps JavaScript API turned on. Create an API key and restrict it to your domain for security. This prevents unauthorized use. Once done, note the key and enable any additional SDKs you need, like Places. Make sure to set quotas to avoid unexpected charges. These first steps give you credentials and protections, so the rest of the integration proceeds safely and predictably. You now embed the Maps JavaScript SDK by adding the script tag with your API key and desired libraries, such as Places. Then create a visible map container div and apply CSS dimensions so the map renders correctly. Initialize a new Google Maps map with center coordinates, zoom level, and map type ID. This creates the interactive map instance. Once initialized, attach controls or event listeners for clicks and drags. This middle step wires the SDK to your DOM and gives you a live map object. You finish by adding features, place markers, attach info windows, and configure autocomplete for searches. Use the geocoding API to convert addresses to coordinates and persist positions if required. Once implemented, optimize performance by clustering markers and lazy loading libraries. Finally, test across browsers and devices and monitor API usage in the console so you can adjust quotas or billing alerts. If something breaks, check key restrictions and console errors first. Fixing those resolves most integration issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.